Welcome. In front of me I have a Motorola Edge 7D Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, first thing we'll need to do is turn off our device by pressing the power button and volume up, which will bring up our boot options. And in here, just simply select the power off option. This will turn off the device, and once it's off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will first take us to the bootloader. There we go. So once you see this menu, let go of the buttons, and then using volume up or down, as this kind of menu is visible only one by one and cycles all the way through all the options back to the start, we're going to start pressing till we have recovery mode visible right here, and from there click on the power button to confirm it. Now we might get the Android with no command. Let's see if we do. Yes, we do. So when you see this page, hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once. So, like so. And this is our recovery mode. And again, in here we navigate the same way: volume buttons to go up or down, and power button to confirm whatever is selected. And in here we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. We also have fast boot mode in here. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it. And like I mentioned before, this will now just reboot the device and bring me back into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.